Hi everyone, welcome to Teju's Healthy Eats. Some evenings are so busy and packed that even the thought of cooking feels overwhelming. But this recipe, no marination, no pre-planning, no oven preheating, no endless chopping, just quick, comforting, high-protein dinner ready in a jiffy. And the best part? The leftovers taste even better the next day for an easy lunchbox to school or work. Let's start with the base, fluffy jasmine rice. I rinse the rice well under cold water, swirling it around with my fingers until the water runs almost clear. This step washes away excess starch so the grains stay light, separate, and perfectly fluffy once cooked. Add it with the required water into a steel bowl and place it in the Instapot with an insert. 4 minutes on high pressure and then a natural vent for 10. By the time the tofu and the sauce are ready, this rice will be perfectly cooked and steaming hot. While the rice cooks, let's whip up the star of the dish, our creamy, nutty, satay-inspired sauce. In a bowl, I whisk together coconut milk, soy sauce, peanut butter, and whichever you've got on hand, sriracha or sweet chili sauce, both work perfectly. Add a little salt, pepper, paprika, monk fruit sugar, and that's it. Just everyday pantry staples, but the flavors are so rich and satisfying. This silky sauce is ready to go. Now for the protein, extra firm tofu. I drain the excess water, cut it into bite-sized cubes, and heat up a pan with just a drizzle of olive oil spread across. In goes the tofu, sizzling right away. A sprinkle of salt and pepper, and I turn each piece with the tongs until all the sides are golden and crisp. This method keeps it light but still deliciously crispy. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And subscribe if you want more quick, healthy, high-protein meals that actually fit into your busy lifestyle. Once the tofu is crisp, I pour in half of the sauce and let it coat and soak into every piece. After a few minutes, the tofu is perfectly glazed and packed with flavor. I transfer it out to a bowl so we can finish and boost the flavor for the rest of the sauce. Quick wipe of the pan, a drizzle of olive oil, and in goes freshly chopped garlic and ginger. The aroma is amazing. I add some scallions, then pour in the rest of the sauce. I turn off the stove and transfer it to a bowl before it thickens. This herby coconutty sauce is so fragrant, I wish you could smell it through the screen. The rice is ready now and everything comes together in minutes. I scoop in some fluffy rice, top it with the golden tofu, and pour this warm, creamy sauce all over. As I assemble the bowl, let's discuss the benefits. This meal comes in at just around 540 calories with over 43 grams of protein, healthy fats from peanut butter and coconut milk, and only about 10 grams of net carbs. It's macro balanced, nutrient dense, and keeps you full and energized without feeling heavy, perfect for dinner after a busy day. Then it's garnish time. Sesame seeds, crushed peanuts, red chili flakes, more scallions, and cilantro. You can add a squeeze of lime juice if you like, but honestly, it's already perfect as it is. This is my go-to family dinner on hectic days when the calendar is bursting and we still want something wholesome and nourishing. Packed with plant-based protein, healthy fats, and balanced macros, it's comfort food that still feels light and energizing. Plus, make a big batch and tomorrow's lunch is sorted. Just reheat or pack it warm in a thermos for those cozy flavors on the go. Now, I would love to hear from you. What's your favorite quick dinner indulgence after a long day? And what recipes would you like to see more of on my channel? Drop a comment below. I always read and love your suggestions. Thanks for cooking along with me today. See you in the next one.